If you are considering starting to learn programming languages, there are some simple mistakes that you should avoid, especially if you are a beginner. By recognizing these mistakes, you can prevent them and learn programming languages more easily. Of course, it is normal to struggle and make mistakes when starting a new job. What is important is to overcome these difficulties and avoid making the same mistakes again. So let's see what these mistakes are. Not improving your English if it's not good is a big problem. Unfortunately, in our country, many curious and determined young people have weak English skills, which leads to misunderstandings of concepts in programming languages and can result in errors. To prevent this, you need to improve your English skills. Thanks to the power of the internet, you can easily improve your English skills today. Here are some resources you can use: online education sites. Through these popular sites, you can improve your English skills for the price of a cup of coffee. YouTube, with free content available on almost any subject. There are many English language tutorials available on YouTube. Books. While books may have lost some popularity today, many quality resources are still hidden within their pages. You can buy English language books as supplementary resources and start improving your English skills right away. Not mastering the concept of algorithms can cause significant difficulties when learning a programming language. Today, every task we perform involves an algorithm. An algorithm is the sequence of operations we perform to solve a given problem. Many of our friends who start learning programming languages fail to learn the concept of algorithms to a sufficient level, which causes them to experience difficulties. Therefore, it is essential to learn the concept of algorithms well. Beginner learners can also learn the Python programming language, which is easy to learn, while learning the concept of algorithms. Now let's move on to one of the most common mistakes, which is giving incorrect targets and quitting the learning journey halfway through. All the programming languages known today have been created to eliminate a particular problem and to use the workload in a specific field effectively. For example, electronic circuits can be coded using the C++ programming language, while web pages can be created using the JavaScript programming language. Therefore, each programming language has its unique and convenient areas. You should choose these areas wisely and learn the programming language that you can use according to your goals. Rushing to learn a programming language is a big mistake. This can also break the enthusiasm of many people. Learning a programming language can take months or even up to a year. Therefore, you should take your time to thoroughly understand the topics and not rush, in order to not lose your enthusiasm. Do not compare yourself to others. We are all unique and different from each other. Some of us may learn a topic easily while others may find a different topic easier to learn. Especially when it comes to learning a programming language, comparisons are often made. People of your age, younger or slightly older, may seem to learn programming languages better and easier than you. Remember, in the end, those who never give up and persevere always win. If you don't work on projects, your basic knowledge will deteriorate. When learning a programming language, there are certain foundations and rules that come with that language. If you don't develop projects using these foundations and rules, the knowledge you acquire will begin to fade away. You don't have to think of a project from scratch as a beginner. There are many projects available on the internet that have already been developed using the programming language you're relearning. Review the project titles and recode the project in your own style. If you get stuck, review the resources used in the project. Hello friends, I'm Samit Ozalp. I hope this video helped you learn about the 5 big mistakes to avoid when learning programming languages. Remember, learning a programming language takes time and patience. Making mistakes is inevitable, but what's important is learning from those mistakes. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more similar content in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified of my new videos. Also, you can help your friends benefit from this video by sharing it with them. Thank you in advance for any support you provide. Until next time, take care and goodbye.